And I'm Casey Cronus, live in New Lenox, where early this morning an Uber driver was waiting for a customer on this quiet block when he was carjacked and struck in the head. Now at 5, we have dash cam video from inside that Uber to show you. Around 6:15 this morning, police say the Uber driver was parked here in the 1600 block of Eagle Circle when a white Hyundai pulled up, blocking him in. 2 armed suspects get out while a third stays in the car. Investigators have determined that white Hyundai was stolen out of Chicago yesterday. Police say the men pistol whipped the Uber driver, then tried to steal his Toyota, took his cell phone and wallet. But as the New Lenox police chief explains, the carjackers didn't make it very far.
The best way to describe it is it's, from what I've been told, not having been in it, is it's either a hybrid or a fully electrical car. They demanded his keys, which he assured them, and it's on video. They're in the car, and they were having a hard time starting it. Eventually they got it started and were able to drive away, but apparently not very far, whether it was an emergency brake or some feature inside that vehicle that they could not figure out how to operate, and they abandoned the car in the middle of the roadway.
And police tell us that person who requested the Uber is an innocent bystander and they were not injured. They were the ones who actually helped that driver and called 911. Meantime, if anyone has Ring doorbell or other surveillance video, you're asked to contact police. Reporting live in New Lenox, Casey Cronus, Fox 32, Chicago.